Hi, Sayli, how are you?
Hi Jay, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Now, I heard that you can now take the TOEFL from your bathtub. Is that right?
No, you cannot do that. You can take it from home, but not from your bathtub.
I see. Which countries in the world can I do this from?
So at the moment, you can take it from the US, from Canada, Macau, Hong Kong, and a few other countries.
Right?
Uh, but I think eventually you would be able to take it from any country.
Okay, cool. Now, the full list of all the countries will be in the description below this video where you can read about it in our blog article, right?
Yes, that's right.
All right, cool. Okay, now what about devices? Can I take this TOEFL test on my phone?
No, you cannot take the test on your phone or on a tablet. The other restriction is the operating system. So you cannot take the test on your Mac or
Oh,
any device that uses iOS. You
okay.
can only take it from a Windows computer.
Okay. All right. Cool. So need to take it in a specific country on a Windows desktop. Okay,
Mhm.
that's fine, and not use a Mac. Now, so I definitely can't take it in the bathtub. What about if I take it in a really dark room?
No. So there are a few specifications for sort of, yeah, like regarding the environment that you can take the test in.
Right.
You have to take it in a well-lit room where nobody else is present but you, and the room has to have a door so that nobody can disturb you.
Right.
And there's again quite a lot of specifications which you can read about in the blog.
Great. Okay. Now, can I take notes like on a with a paper and a pen, and can I write down the questions and then sell them to my friends?
No, you absolutely cannot do that. So that people don't do that, they have special requirements. So you can only take notes with an erasable marker on a small whiteboard,
Ah,
or you any sort of erasable surface. But
okay.
and at the end of the test, they'll ask you to erase all your notes. So
Okay, so you have
don't do
to
that.
erase them. That's interesting because note taking is actually important in the TOEFL for the
Yeah.
different integrated tasks specifically. Interesting. Okay, what about a headset? Do I have to get a headset with a microphone?
No, that's actually interesting because that's what you would do in the real test, right? They'd give you a headset, but for the test that you're taking at home, so that the proctor can listen to what you're listening to, you have to use either the internal speakers on your laptop, or you can attach like a pair of external speakers, but just any sort of device that the proctor can listen to as well.
Right. Okay, interesting. Is there anything else I should know? Is there any other way I can cheat?
No, you definitely should not try to cheat on this test
Right.
because the proctor will be monitoring you throughout the test. And if they feel like you're trying to cheat or you're making suspicious movements or anything like that, they can actually invalidate the test, and you will have to take the test again, and you won't be refunded for the test that
Wow.
you tried to
Okay.
cheat on.
All right, fair enough.
But
Now,
Jay, if you're not going to cheat, how are you going to pass this test?
I've never thought about that before. I thought you just had to cheat. No, of course not. You have to prepare. That's what you have to do to pass the TOEFL. And I'm pretty sure that E2 Language has just updated all of its online TOEFL materials. So if you head over to e2language.com, you can sign up for free. You'll get some live classes and some practice questions. But if you do want to upgrade, you can get writing feedback, speaking feedback. You can take our mock test, which is like a full simulation. It's really good. You get feedback on your speaking and writing. What else is in there?
So you can obviously submit your assessments for feedback from our TOEFL experts. And if you feel like you still need some more help, you can book one-on-one tutorials with them as well.
Great. And we've got live classes as well. So lots to do at e2language.com. And if you just want to improve your fundamental skills like your vocab or grammar or pronunciation, you can check out e2school.com, which is completely free. All of these links and the link to the blog article will be in the comments below. Not in the comments, in the description below.
That's right.
Cool. Thanks, Sayli. That was interesting.
Thanks, Jay.
No worries. See ya.
See ya.